Hello friends.
Hello there guys. So this is my intro, right? Hello there.
No problem.
Today we father son are going to make something which we promised last episode. And what did I promise? We are going to make different types of fish fry in the coming videos. And today is the day we are going to make it. Now,
Yes, making Kerala fish fry. It's a very delicious fish fry.
so then let's begin with the ingredients.
Okay, let's start with the ingredients. Come on. Alright, the ingredients are 1 piece sliced kingfish, small piece lime, garlic, ginger, small onion and dry curry leaves. Actually, I don't have any fresh curry leaves because everybody is aware it's lockdown. So most probably you have to use for fresh curry leaves. Move on to dry ingredients: red chili powder, crushed black pepper, turmeric powder, garam masala powder, roasted fenugreek powder, salt, and finally coconut oil. For the marination, first step we need to crush the 5 ingredients together: small onion, ginger, and garlic, and dry curry leaves. Then squeeze the lemon, lime juice, like that. Then you have to crush nicely. Yes, almost ready. Now I am going to add red chili powder, black pepper crushed, turmeric powder, garam masala powder, roasted fenugreek, salt and coconut oil. Then I have to repeat the same process again. So I have to crush it until fine paste. Well, so our wonderful marination ready for fish. So I will show you how to marinate the fish. Now marinate the fish both sides. After that we have to keep it in the fridge at least 1 hour before frying.
Remember the previous fish which is stuck inside the fridge, feeling the cold? Looks like this one will also have a tough life. So bye fish. Let it feel the cold as well. The fish will be like, oh no, it's really cold. But it's alright, the fish will come outside any moment, no? Now that's really cold. The fish is fine, nothing to worry about it, I guess. It looks fine to me. What about you?
Yes, ready. I am ready for frying. Please bring to me.
You caught me again eating a carrot. Look, it's just fine. I like carrots, alright? Uh-oh.
I also like slicer.
Uh-oh.
Let's start frying now. Alright?
Yeah.
Okay. The final stage. Heat the frying pan. Add 2 spoons of coconut oil. Like that. Then you have to place the fish exactly in the middle of the frying pan. Then we have to cook 4 minutes one side, then turn other side also for 4 minutes to cook.
That's mouth-watering, Daddy. How can you do this to me?
Wait for another 3 to 4 minutes. Yes, fish is almost 8 minutes now. So I am going to serve the fish into the plate. Like that. Take this, keep it in the plate. And now it's ready. Yes, Kerala fish fry ready for tasting. Go ahead.
Looks like I found some salad in the corner.
It's very good to serve with salad.
Nice, so let me have a taste then.
I also want to taste.
Guess what, Dad?
Yeah.
This is even softer than the one we had last time.
Thank you.
And it doesn't sound that spicy either, so it's perfect.
You like this?
Yes, definitely.
Yeah, if you want, you can adjust the seasoning like a spiciness.
So, what do you think about our food then? Tell us in the comment section below and whatever. And you can also make this at your home. Not a very difficult recipe, I think so, Dad.
Really, it is very easy to prepare.
Exactly. So make it at your home and tell us in the comment section below what do you think about the food and what do you think about the food you made yourself. Now, thank you for watching this video. Please share this video, like it and subscribe to our channel. It will be real support for us. We will see you next time. Bye.
Bye-bye.